Alright, so I'm going to attach a wing and give you a demonstration on how my wind tunnel works. So right here you can see there's two rods in the middle, and that's going to be connected into one of those two of those holes. So what you do is you take the top off the wind tunnel, you open these up because they separate, and then you slip one into each hole. So this one will go through, that one goes through that hole, and then that one goes to that hole. Very simple. And then take the second wing. And so there you are. Those are the wings sitting there in place. You want to make sure you put the glass back on as well, because then it'll be pushing instead of pulling, and that's not what you want. Nice snug fit. So then you turn the scale on. 0 degrees, or turn it to 0 degrees. So let's just put it to 30 degrees for this test. You take some duct tape, put it right here, or let's just put it here. And make sure, so this makes it so the rods can't move up and down when the wind is going. So then you walk over here, you turn the speed to whatever you want, low, medium, high. I'm going to put it on to high, and then it should start to read the results that you get. So negative numbers is actually good because it's showing how much lift there is. So this one's getting a good consistent speed of about 20.7 grams of lift. So that's really good for this type of wing. So yeah, and then if you look over here, you can't really see it with the camera, I don't think, but the amount of drag there is on this wing is 7.32 grams, which isn't so good, I guess. Well, it's not bad, but it's not great. So, then you can change the angle of attack if you want again, and you can do as many tests as you want with each wing, and you can go over, make sure you're correct on each test. So usually wait till it's consistent, and this one's being really consistent, so that's good. And so that's basically how the wind tunnel works.
So what kind of things made it not consistent? Was it the way that the wing was in the chamber, or something else going on with the mechanism, or what kind of problems did you see?
Well, the types of problems that I came up against was when you turn the scale on, the tire mechanism was kind of hard to work with sometimes. So for example, this one's doing great, but then sometimes it wouldn't stop moving, so you'd have to hit the tire mechanism, but it wouldn't work sometimes, because when you push down it changes the amount of grams on it. That was one of my problems. And then changing the angle of the wing whenever you have the drag mechanism on, you can't bring it below 30 degrees because the wire that's connecting the two wings together doesn't allow it to go any farther.
So how did you get the lift measurements for lower?
Well, we had to take it apart, and we decided not to do the drag mechanism in the experiment. But we'll probably fix it up, so for next time we do it, we'll have it ready for next time.
Cool.
Yeah.